Welcome to my YouTube channel, Plain Tech with Manny. Today I'm going to show you how to create an account pin on the My Verizon mobile website. So before that, I showed you how to create a pin on the app. Today I'm going to show you how to create an account pin on the Verizon Wireless website. So let's get started. So you need to go to the website. You can put verizonwireless.com or you can put vzw.com. Hit enter, and on the upper right corner you will see the option sign in, and then sign into my account. Enter your mobile number. Continue. Here you need to put the password in. So because of the for your account security, as you will hit the sign in option, it's going to ask you to remember my verification next time. So what's going to happen if you choose this option, then you will receive a text message on your phone. Once you click on the link and hit allow, next time if you log into your on the same device, it will not send you a text. It will just, once you put the password in, you're good to go. And if you choose this option, it's going to send you text message every time you logged in with your password. So for the time being, I'm going to use this. I will verify again next time, and I'll click on continue. And I did receive a text message. I will tap on the link. This thing you will not be able to see on your phone, on your screen. And this is only happening on my cell phone right now. So I will tap on the link and click on allow access and submit. So as soon I will do that, you can see it's gonna let me sign in. So only this activity I'm performing on my iPad. The only difference between the iPad and the regular computer is, so on the regular computer, here you will see the option where you need to go. So you need to go to the option account. So the account option, shop, Verizon, why Verizon, or support, it's going to show you over here on a regular computer. So only difference is on the iPad, you need to tap on the upper right corner, the three lines, tap on it and click on account. So doesn't matter you're on the website, on the iPad or a regular computer, you will still do the same thing. Like you need to click on the option account, and then mobile, and then account settings, and then security settings. And on your computer or iPad, it's going to show you the same interface you're looking right now. So you can see the option here where it says account pin. You need to click on the account pin option, and here you will type any random 4 digits. Make sure it's not from your social security number or your phone number, or 1234, or repeating number like 1111. So I will update the pin here. Click on save changes, and It's showing a list of my phone number, so I will choose my cell phone number and it will send you a link. Here you go. I received on my cell phone, and I will tap on the link and I will tap on allow and submit. And here you go. You can see it says you're all set. Your account PIN was successfully updated. So this is how you update your account, Verizon Wireless account PIN on the computer or on your iPad. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next videos.